Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how I organize emails in Gmail. Don't worry, this is just a very easy tutorial. Well, basically in Gmail, labels are a useful tool in Gmail for organizing emails, similar to folders, but with a twist. You can assign multiple labels to an email, which you can then locate at a later time by selecting any label from the left panel. A label search is another option, so I'm going to show you how to do it. All you have to do is to click this plus icon here and then enter a new label, for example, urgent. I'm going to label this as urgent. And then to add, you have to click the plus icon and then let me add another one here, for example, awaiting response. Okay, and then tap create. Now I'm going to add at least three new labels here on my Gmail. So the last one here is to respond. So let's just say to respond or to read, something like that. But actually, everything is up to you. I just want to categorize and label this as this one. So, for example, to read, and then after that, click create. So, on the left side or left panel, you can see here three labels, which you can use later when you receive an email to your Gmail. But before that, you can also customize this by tapping this three dots and then change the color in order for you to simply identify which one is awaiting response, to read, and urgent. Okay, so everything is up to you what color you like to choose. Now, after adding some labels right here, the next thing to do is you have to look for the gear icon or settings. So the settings is on the right side, this gear icon. Now you have to scroll down and then you have to look for multiple inboxes and you have to click this customize right here. When you tap this, it will take you directly to this page, and all you have to do is to add or type the labels that you have created on the left side. So for example, I'm going to add here a label awaiting response, and then you have also to enter this on the other side. And then also another one is label and then urgent, also a label and to read. So you just have to follow what you have created on the left side here on your labels. And then after that, you have to scroll down and then tap Save Changes. Now I'm going to show you how to use this once you have created your labels here. So you just have to click that specific email. And then once you tap that one, for example, this, okay, I'm gonna put this on my awaiting response. So, for example, this one is a new email right here. You just have to click that and then tap this three dots label and then select that label or name of the label where you want to put this new email that you have received. As easy as that. So if you have any suggestions or topics that you want us to create for tutorials, please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.